Welcome back, folks. Who's sleepy? Who needs some lotion to relax and get a good night's sleep, good night's slumber? Kids are back to school today, so I'm not that tired. Anyway, what is that? What are we looking at over here? Sleep. Is this a bottle of sleep? I don't really know. So let's take a look further. Taking a look at the main image, I see Pure Relief Aromatherapy Sleep Soothing Night Cream. Wild Lavender promotes restful sleep, ultra calming. Cool. I recently did a video about this. Maybe I'll link it below, talking about how I redid this main hero image to show it better. What I put here was some cream behind it, which is what I recommend. Show some swatches of cream behind it, a smudge, show the ingredients, show a sprig of lavender, all that kind of good stuff. You want to show that. Soothe pressure points with your anti-inflammatory sleep cream. So anti-inflammatory is probably a hot button word that you're not going to have in their title with Amazon, so just be careful with that. This lady looks like she's trying to tell me the lotto numbers or my fortune. I get it. Maybe she's rubbing the cream on her pressure points. I don't know. It's not really clear. Enjoy a dose of calming aromatherapy before bed. Looks like she's smelling perfume, so it means it probably smells good. And this is a really poor Photoshop job of it on the counter. So what would I rather see here? I'd rather see somebody in bed relaxing. This lady doesn't look like she's getting ready for bed. It looks like she's getting ready to go out for the night. So if you're talking about calming before bed, show someone in bed relaxing. Relax your body and mind with natural ingredients: lavender, magnesium, shea butter, coconut oil. Okay, cool. But what is this telling me? This is telling me it has those ingredients, and then this picture down here is giving me nothing. No lifestyle image, no us versus them. Just showing the bottle and some lavender behind it. And so are the rest of the photos. So nowhere in here to actually see the cream itself, cream in someone's hands. Really the avatar. Is this good for men too? Is it good for kids? Is it good for my goldfish? Why am I lying to you? I don't have a goldfish. But understand, probably women, but show more people and show people actually using it in a better way. So lavender, sleep, body, coconut, okay, large, 16 ounces. That's the other thing. I didn't know from the main hero image it was 16 ounces. It says it here, and it says it really small down there. But if that's your big value prop, also put it large in a post-it over there that's 16 ounces. 1 pound pack of 1 pound packet, 1 pound. Oh, 16 ounces, 1 pound. Just seems weird to say it's 1 pound. Different color, different styles. Wait, I see some different. Let me take a look at your other ones. See, discover the cream with a kick. She doesn't look like she's having a kick. I don't know. Like, I'm not really. It's not giving me what I need to know. I'm looking to lullaby and lotion. No one's doing a lullaby over here. So I think the text, the content, and the images are kind of not in sync. Crafted in the U.S. under strict guidelines. Okay, so if it's made in the U.S., why are we not talking about it being made in the U.S. here? So when people are putting something on their skin, that's super important to them. All right, A+ time. No brand story module? All right. We're leaving some money on the table today. No brand story module. Always by your side. Huh? Why is it always by my... Oh, just because it's by the bed? Okay, see, this is a better image of someone sleeping and relaxing, although it does look like she's fake sleeping. But it is better. But you still don't show the product down here. We don't see, like, the cream, the texture, the feel, anything like that. Let's take a look at some alt text. Alt texturoni and cheese. Nope. Just lavender, magnesium. Oh, alt text V. All right. So you're not doing any alt text over here, so your SEO is kind of taking a hit for that. Send X's, O's, and Z's. Give the special night owl in your life well-deserved rest enhancement. But if you're a night owl, don't you want to stay up? I don't know. It looks like he's handing her something. Yeah, it's just really bad Photoshop jobs. For ideal results, why is it sitting next to a nightstand? Not a nightstand. It looks like a couch, in a living room. I don't really know. I'm not really buying it, and it's really just talking to talk. So you have other options here too. So it's interesting. If you had a brand story module, you could say this is our collection of products. Because I noticed how you have one for is this energy? Yeah, energy. So why don't you have a brand story module talking about energy? Well, this one doesn't even have A+. Yikes. It's not even available, so maybe that's why. Maybe it's new. But let's go here and see. Is this like a arbitrage kind of play? Or let's see. Where are these sellers? Here we go. Just want to see. Yeah, this is like an arbitrage kind of deal because there's a lot of people on here. But where's the actual brand? See, that's the thing. You never know. It's like probably like a wholesale arbitrage play. So I'm curious to see who actually owns this and if they actually care about it. Or is it just, hey, we wholesale this stuff out, go sell it, we don't really care. But no, someone has to care because they're doing this. But yeah, so that's, I'm going to go back to the Lavender Sleepy one. But that's the thing. You really want to see how you're going to benefit someone's life from this. Now, if I go to Lavender Scented Cream and take a look at the competition, all right, let's take it again. Jergens and EOS, they're monsters. But let's look at EOS, for example. Do they show the cream? See, I wasn't lying. Cream on the hands. Is this more cream on the hands? More cream on the hands. Showing you, look, it's not great, but they're showing you that's lavender and, you know, hand cream and the size and what it's good for and why. Okay, bullet points. There we go. See? Collection of stuff up here. Everything they have in their brand story module. This lady's living the time of her life. Everything up here. Collection. See? And I didn't even pull this one up beforehand. They're showing the whole collection of all the stuff they have. Product on skin. People living their best life. Happy, smiling. So he looks ecstatic. Look at that. Right? Product, smudge, smears. So guys, you have to really fix that. Because there's other people creeping up on you in the space. So 100 units. This one. She's trying to look at competition. I love when that happens. Look. Skin on face. Skin open. Skin open. I do too many of these. Jar open. Skin open. See? I could see what's inside. I see this. I see the lavender. If they have a brand story module, they do. They're showing the collection. So it's not even like a Jergens or a monster name that's doing it. It's other people that are toe-to-toe. Look! Product on skin. Look! Living their best life. Using it. So you have to do this kind of stuff. You can't not do it, you silly goose. But guys, I'm not doing a PickFu on this today because I already did another video talking about how I broke down this image to optimize it better. So I'll link it below so you guys can go take a look at it as well. But if you have an image like this and you want help and you don't know how to do it, we could do it for you. PickFu has a done-for-you service. Basically, we take your image, we do everything, kind of what I'm going to show you in the other video. If you just click down here or whatever it is, and we take it and make it better. And we run all the PickFu polls behind it, so it's a data-driven decision. You don't have to worry about it and stress over Jergens and EOS and all these guys taking your lunch money away from you with sales. Capitalize on it because you are sleep. That's what I see. I just see sleep. I don't see night cream. Night cream needs to be bigger, by the way, now that I'm looking at that. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. We do these every single day. Today is Thursday, back to school for the kids. I don't know if I said that or not. I'm super happy and excited. Tomorrow's Friday. Yay. And if you want to see your ASIN review, drop it in the comments, and we will see you on the flippity floppity.